Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm gonna get on the freeway. There's been some questions that I've heard online with this Kawasaki 900 that can it keep up or how does it handle on the freeway? Well, let's go figure this out. Looks clear. Let's go. Oh, I'm already at 55. Getting on the freeway here. And in fifth gear, cruising at about just over between 60 and 65. Seems to be doing fine. So this motorcycle doesn't have an RPM gauge, but I have experience driving a manual transmission, and usually you can go by the sound. On this motorcycle you can go by the sound, and you can also feel it. You're sitting on the engine, and when you feel like it's starting to, you feel like a little buzz through the handlebars. I'm usually change gears just before then or just as it starts. That's when I'm usually changing gears. So right now I'm going about 70, and I'm kind of feeling that buzz. Nothing bad. It doesn't feel like I'm really straining the engine, but it makes me want to move to a 6th gear. So the Kawasaki 900 Classic, this is a 2012, has 5 gears, and nothing's really changed about them all the way through currently 2021. Really don't have any plans to go anywhere. Got up, got ready, went and met a friend for coffee. It's really nice to reconnect in person. Haven't done that in a while. And yeah, then just went to put gas and really have no plans on where to go. I don't even know what time it is. It's probably by middle of the day. I feel like it's lunchtime because I feel a little hungry. It's been windy out here in Northern California. I'm about an hour east of the San Francisco Bay. Yesterday was very windy, although it was sunny like it is now. And highs were about mid-60s, but it was just too windy. So today's much better. The nice thing is it's windy, but it's doable. One thing I'm learning is I definitely need to have a windshield on this motorcycle. I've been really busy over the weekends, and I really, what I'd really like to do with this channel, you know, some destinations out here, try to find the good roads out here in Northern California, and some destinations that we can go to and go visit together. I think that would be fun. And you know, I do have a day job and my weekdays are really busy. So I don't have time to ride. Even it's disappointing, like most of us, when we have a nice day. But we got a lot of work to do. Such is life, right? So my goal is to get up early morning one on the weekend and just head off to a destination here around me. I got Monterey about 2 hours away, San Francisco about an hour, and there's some interesting roads and ghost towns east of me. I think I'm going to check all those out. If there's anything that you'd like to see out here, or some roads that you've never seen or heard that is good, please let me know in the comments below. And maybe some interesting restaurants along the way around lunchtime. See, it's starting to buzz there. Second. It's a buzzing there. Third. Fourth. And fourth is doing good. So just a light, and it's not like a, oh my god, this thing's vibrating. It's just, you can feel the buzz in the handlebars. So I'm now in fifth. And to go, speed limit of 50 on fifth gear is, it's fine. So I just got off the freeway, and I mentioned that I think I was just over 60, and I could feel a little buzz wanting to go to sixth gear. But going at about 60, I mean, this is where I think this motorcycle is comfortable at. Which is going to be interesting with, I just got to get more practice. Oh, looks like you guys are falling a little over here. I don't know if you can tell from my last video, but I put a riser on this GoPro here. I felt like it was just too low. This is my first try at this. So yeah, it's a nice day today. It's like I want to go somewhere, but I don't know where to go. And it is Sunday, so I have work tomorrow. And I'd like to do some prep work for the week, to prepare for the coming week. So maybe my first stop should be, let's go home, grab some lunch, and then I'll look up kind of an interesting place, maybe within an hour radius, where I can go to and come back. Woo! It looks like I'm gonna have to tighten up this GoPro here on my handlebars. It keeps wanting to point down. I just hand tightened it after I put some gas. I do find it fun to ride around here now. Initially, when I just had my permit, I was driving around a lot of these two-way highways around my house, and you know, it did get boring after a while. But you know, I think now that I have you guys to talk to, this doesn't seem as boring anymore. But I definitely want to have some destinations, opposed to just riding around. So we'll see what time it is once I'm done with lunch, figure out where to go, somewhere close by, and have that destination set up. Hello everyone, I'm back from that long lunch break. It was actually 5 days ago. Got home for lunch, had lunch, and we all just had different plans that we wanted to do for that day to spend with the family. So we went ahead and did that. And but I wanted to wrap up the speed on this motorcycle in terms of keeping up with traffic. And on that short highway trip, I was happy with it. It was no problem. I was going about 65, 70. It handled well. And on my next trip, I'm planning to go a little further, maybe a couple hours out on a freeway ride. And I'll definitely give you feedback then. So stay tuned for wherever that destination may be. I'm not even sure yet, but you will see this video next week. All right, take care everyone, stay safe, and looking forward to sharing more. Peace.